Are you on the hunt for the ultimate electric scooters to elevate your riding journey? Today, we're diving into the top 5 electric scooters specially crafted for heavy riders. From robust builds to powerful motors, each scooter brings something unique to the table to cater to your specific needs. Keep in mind that our selections are in no particular order, so be sure to stick around until the end to find the ideal pick for you. And don't forget to give that like button a tap and hit subscribe for all the latest updates. Introducing the Apollo Pro e-Scooter 2024, a groundbreaking fusion of innovation and resilience. Crafted with a unibody frame design from aircraft-grade aluminum, this scooter embodies a new angle of strength, combining sleek aesthetics with robust durability. Engineered for the toughest journeys, it boasts a maximum load capacity of 330 pounds and an IP66 water resistance rating, ensuring resilient performance in any condition. But it's not just about strength. It's about outpacing, outranging, and outperforming the competition. Powered by a proprietary Mach 2 controller and a 6,000-watt dual-motor peak performance, the Apollo Pro accelerates your ride with breathtaking speed, reaching up to 44 miles per hour in Ludo mode. Plus, with patented air-cooled technology, you'll gain 30% more power, pushing your boundaries further than ever before. But the Apollo Pro isn't just about speed, it's about going the extra mile. Its 1560 watt-hour battery delivers an impressive 62 miles of range in eco mode, while 21,700 Samsung cells ensure longevity for years to come. And when it comes to comfort, the Apollo Pro doesn't disappoint. With D&M front hydraulic suspension offering 16 customizable dampening settings and a zero-maintenance rear rubber absorber, every ride is tailored to perfection. Brake smarter, not harder, with Power RBS technology providing smooth braking and a triple brake system for controlled stops from 30 miles per hour, reducing mechanical brake use by 90%. Plus, with the ability to recharge your battery by up to 10% while riding, you'll never miss a beat. Experience the future of electric scooters with the Apollo Pro e-Scooter 2024, where strength, speed, and comfort converge for the ultimate riding experience. Introducing the 010X, a top-tier e-scooter delivering unparalleled performance and versatility. Designed to seamlessly transition from off-road adventures to urban commutes, this dual-motor drive, dual-suspension powerhouse redefines the standard for high-performance scooters. With a maximum load capacity of 265 pounds, the 010X effortlessly combines power and endurance. Zooming at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour and boasting an impressive range of 53 miles on a single charge, this e-scooter ensures you never miss a beat on your journey. Equipped with 10 by 3-inch tires and front and rear spring hydraulic suspension, the 010X conquers even the roughest terrains with ease, providing a smooth and comfortable ride every time. Its dual 1,000-watt hub motors deliver a total power output of 2,000 watt, peaking at 3,200 watt, ensuring relentless performance and agility. Whether you're cruising in eco mode for extended range or unleashing the full power of turbo mode, the 010X adapts to your needs with precision. With striking suspension arms and switchable dual-motor drive, this e-scooter combines functionality with style, making it the ultimate choice for riders seeking unmatched performance and versatility. Introducing the TurboAnt X7 Max folding electric scooter, a marvel of modern urban transportation. With its high capacity, detachable battery providing a maximum range of 32 miles, this scooter ensures you're always ready for your next adventure. Building upon the success of its predecessor, the X7 Pro, the X7 Max boasts compelling upgrades and a refined design, offering both elegance and efficiency in your daily commute. With a maximum load capacity of 275 pounds, its sturdy and durable build ensures a safe and smooth journey for both you and your possessions. Enjoy the freedom of a best-in-class 32-mile range on a single charge, allowing you to tackle home-to-work commutes, grocery runs, and more without worry. With a top speed of 20 miles per hour, leave congested traffic in the rearview mirror as you explore the city at your own pace. Powered by a 350-watt brushless motor, This scooter delivers generous power and fine-tuned throttle response, never failing to impress. Experience optimized ride quality and enhanced comfort with the wide, anti-slip deck, providing ample room for a firm and secure stance. And with the convenience of a quick folding stem battery lock, you can be ready to roll in just 3 seconds. Step into the realm of true power and performance with the Inmotion RS electric scooter, where premium is not just a label, but a standard. With its impressive technical specifications, the Inmotion RS is a force to be reckoned with, captivating even the most seasoned riders with its staggering maximum speed of 68 miles per hour. Designed to handle any terrain with ease, the dual-motor system, boasting a total power of 4,000 watt, 8,400 watt max, propels the RS forward with unmatched agility and control, effortlessly conquering hills with angles of up to 50%. Coupled with ultra-wide 11x 3.5-inch tubeless tires, this scooter ensures a smooth and exhilarating ride every time. Powered by a 72-volt 40-amp-hour battery managed by Inmotion's smart BMS technology, the RS offers a remarkable range of up to 100 miles on a single charge, ensuring you can go the distance without compromise. With a charging time of just 9 hours, 4.5 hours with 2 chargers, you'll spend less time waiting and more time riding. Safety is paramount with the RS, featuring hydraulic disc brakes and a progressive electric brake assistance system for reliable stopping power in any situation. But convenience is not forgotten, with innovative features like the world's first transforming system, allowing you to adjust the height of the deck to suit your riding style, and a sizable anti-slip deck for added comfort and security. Plus, with excellent water resistance ratings, IPX6 for the body and IPX7 for the battery, the RS is built to withstand the elements, ensuring durability and longevity for years to come. Introducing the EMOVE Cruiser S, a long-range electric scooter designed to redefine your commuting experience. With an impressive range of up to 62 miles on a single charge, this scooter is built to keep you moving for weeks without needing to recharge. Perfect for daily commutes ranging from 5 to 15 miles, the EMOVE Cruiser S ensures you never have to worry about running out of power mid-trip. With a top speed of 33 miles per hour and equipped with 10 inches by 2.75 inches tubeless tires, this scooter delivers a smooth and exhilarating ride. While X-Tech hybrid hydraulic brakes provide reliable stopping power when you need it most. Powered by a robust 52-volt 30-amp-hour LG battery and a 1,000-watt rear motor, the EMOVE Cruiser S offers unparalleled performance and endurance, even on steep hills with angles of up to 20%. Plus, with features like brake lights, signal lights, and headlights, safety is always a top priority. With a maximum load capacity of 352 pounds, this scooter is designed to accommodate riders of all sizes with ease. Experience the freedom of long-range commuting with the EMOVE Cruiser S, where reliability, performance, and convenience come together for the ultimate riding experience. So, which of these electric scooters for heavy riders piqued your interest? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates on the best electric scooters tailored. Thanks for watching and happy riding!